here's the weird thing. Okay, usually students are happy about being selected to attend the academic summit.
How can I be in the top 1%? I don't study that much. I mean, are the kids in Michigan schools that stupid?
No, you're just that smart. Maybe you're tired and broken. Your tongue is twisted with words half-spoken and thoughts unclear. What do you want me to do? To do for you, to see you through.
Why are you talking like that?
Just quoting the dead. I know it always makes me feel better.
What, quoting the Who?
Not the Who. The Grateful Dead. When I was in college, back in the early 1700s, I'd put their album American Beauty on whenever I was stressing out. It always helped. You know what? I'm gonna loan it to you. Put it on while you're studying for finals, and soon you'll be raring to go to that academic summit.
I got kind of woozy when I had to show that Girls' Time of the Month film.
They didn't even let me into the class to show that one. They said the girls would be too embarrassed.
I heard that's because you get to see a girl's boobs in it.
Hey, American Beauty. That is a great album, man.
Oh, yeah, that's what I've heard.
Are you a Death Head?
No, someone just gave it to me to listen to.
Oh, well, if you never heard it before, you're in for a treat, because it's like the best album of all time.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it that great?
I wish I never heard it, just so I could hear it again for the first time.
Lindsay, can you please start going out with Nick again? I can't take much more of this.
In the top 1%. Like my grandpa used to say, if I was wearing my vest, all the buttons would pop.
Here, I didn't think you were applying yourself, and now look. You must be absolutely thrilled.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm not even sure if I want to go. What's the point?
Are you wacky?
Wacky?
Can it?